Hi guys, my name is Vijay Goswami. Welcome to Hawkview Studios. Today we are going to take you on a tour of one of the most luxurious projects of Shivalik Group, Shivalik Avenue. So let's go and check it out. We are at Shivalik Avenue. This project is located at Gorakhdev, one of the most prominent areas of Ahmedabad. Gorakhdev is well connected with 5-star hotels, schools, colleges, multiplexes. So it offers everything. If I talk about this project, it is under construction and it will be delivered in August 2020. It has got residential and commercial development. The commercial development is on the ground floor and first floor. The residential development starts from first floor to 7th floor. The project has got 3 wings, A, B and C. A wing and C wing offers 3,200 square feet and B wing offers 3,300 square feet. All the apartments are 4 BHK and comes with 2 allotted car parks. If we talk about the amenities, the project offers a full equipped gym and there is a landscape garden with sitting area and children's play area at the ground floor. It has also got a landscaped garden on the terrace of all 3 wings. One of the striking features of this building is that it is a green building. The building has got a lot of initiatives to give back to the nature. It offers rainwater harvesting, it offers sewage treatment plant and it has also got solar panels that will be installed on the roof. Sewage treatment plant water will be used for the flushing and the gardening, and the solar panels will reduce the energy consumption bill of the society, and that will really help the society. I am in C wing of this building and we are going to check out an excitingly done sample apartment of the project. This is a premium residential development with only 63 exclusively designed apartments. I am on the common floor lobby. It is a 38 feet long lobby. There are 2 lifts, one on my left hand side and one on my right hand side. So let's go and check out the sample apartment. I am in this gorgeous 4 BHK apartment. This is beautifully done and it looks exquisite. The furniture, the colors, the way the overall designing has been done is really nice. This is a 4 BHK apartment. The floor to ceiling height is 9.5 feet. There is a separate space for dining and there is dining. This dining is attached with kitchen. There is a nice huge balcony on my left hand side. The kitchen looks really stunning and beautiful. There is a space for the storage and there is another space which is for the wash area. This acts like a balcony. The standard apartment comes with granite platform and SS sink. So this is a furnished apartment. This is the way you can do your furniture. There is a nice modular design which has been done in this and it is really done tastefully. So the kitchen is connected with the dining space and right opposite to the dining space you have a nice big balcony. Where is it? Okay, so as you can see, this is a beautiful balcony. The icing on the cake, a beautiful balcony attached with this apartment makes it the perfect home. This apartment is super spacious. There are 4 bedrooms. All bedrooms are master bed. All bedrooms comes with attached toilet bathroom. There is 1 bedroom on my left hand side and there are 3 bedrooms on my right hand side. So if you have guests coming in, you can give that room to your guests and maintain your privacy on the other side of the apartment. I will show you the other 3 bedrooms. This bedroom can be used for kids. You can nicely design the furniture, and your kids can be very comfortable here because there is an attached washroom and there is a nice window which will give good ventilation. We will go into the third bedroom. So I'm in the third bedroom. This bedroom can be used as your study room or maybe a second guest bedroom. There is also a washroom attached with this, and there is quite a good space in the washroom also. All the washrooms comes with very good sanitary and CP fittings. I'm going to get into the fourth bedroom, which is a master bed. This bedroom comes with an imported wooden flooring, and there is an attached washroom which is the biggest washroom of the apartment. So the size of the master bedroom is 18 by 12 feet. It comes with wooden flooring, and there is a nice French window with a good view of the garden. Shivalik Avenue offers an amazing connectivity, great space, and located at one of the most prominent areas of Ahmedabad. It starts at 1.99 crores. Please contact their sales team for more details.